Okay guys, I found I appear the talk for yes for Pidgin Academy. Today I say more quickly do sharp this logo because just see one kind sharp work. I say more quickly do this logo. But I see the watch and so used to they learn them should be good. So won't do this video sharp. So they say my video too long normally. I can say okay this video I don't promise say past 20 minutes, reach other 40 minutes video. On that 18 minutes we'll do on sharp. Take much time. So more start. So this logo now for delivery company, all these people where they move fast. So one do the logo sharp and you go see and say this logo what we they see for you so it get meaning. You see the two things now they mainly use for this logo. Now you see and say they use image of ego and see they use e. So now just image and test now one use throughout this design. So you know go take time, more we just watch, more learn how to do one. So first let me do this save this one ready. So what me want to do sharp you say go default design. So I go default design now. Wait till you see now you go to see so when you come pixel lab. If you not get pixel lab, don't forget to go download them if you never get them. Download them for inside Play Store, they Play Store, see the App Store. So don't there like this so. Like this so for come pixel lab, the first one will see be this. So what you want to do now? We'll tap this test right there sharp. Now if we tap the test, now we'll come this test side right there over here. We'll click edit. We'll click edit now. Now if we click edit, more type it we want. So for that one now, what if I do first of all, I just E for what you do. But if you put any letter you want put, depend on who you want do the delivery logo for. Depend on the delivery company, depend on the delivery company name. So that one I do now for person. So that one now the person say okay man do another style. Give them may get two type of style. So that's why I want to make video now. I'm doing that different style now. So more do that style, more spice up the style a little bit. So more will go test size. See and say I don't do my test side. No forget say I did test side. So I'll go my test size now. I increase the test size small. I don't click and go 150. If you increase anyhow, if you don't like that increase, if you use this one to increase on, it no still matter. Now more position for center. Open for center now, sharp. Now the next one I want to be say we'll go change the handwriting. So we'll go display the full font. We'll tap on for them. We'll go my fonts, will go reset anyone where you want. So you got to choose from many options. So if I go inside my fonts now, I get font already downloaded. This one I already download on my own. I already make video how to take download font and put them for inside this app or the copy setup. If I watch the video, try me go watch the video. So me will go some of my fonts where I get this font where they call Baba Pro. See this font for here. I fit decide say oh this font makes sense, make I use them, or I fit go use another font if I don't want that one. So more just try this devil breeze first, or say oh we don't want devil breeze or more use Avengers. So now you know font where you want, if you choose any font where you want. So more just use this devil breeze first. Now for that first thing what I do, the first design when we do now what I show now Baba Pro now I use the font what I use now be this the first time. But if you don't want to use this one again, if you choose any other font where you want use. But now we'll just try this one small again. We don't write time now. So sorry for the vibration on my phone. So what you want to do next be say we'll just increase the size for this thing small. Okay, we'll increase the size small. So that's what I increase the size small. Now what you want to do next, we'll go bring in our ego wings. So we'll go find our ego wings bring. To bring I tell you before say get to it. If you come this import this image side, you click this where they put import, or if you click this plus where they up here, so see plus. You plus the option if you tap and they'll see me you say from gallery. Tap from gallery. They'll give you option may you go where you keep your pictures, may you go bring the picture come out. Now all the pictures I use for this video, I go give on the pictures. If you check the description, you will see link to take out all the pictures. If you go use all the pictures for free and they collect money. So first let me want to do now, man go where they keep my pictures, sharply go bring out the pictures. So I hide them for inside this place. Man go bring the come outside. So now they keep my images now beyond this one. So I fit choose for any image I want. So you see this image they put for you, so man just tap them. This one they put ego face, so man spice them up. Don't forget say the first design I show now for this video, that one I design where they make for under thing. So I want just spice them up. I don't do exactly because I already make that one already before. For now, what you fit do for you? It is very simple. Just observe. Now more come out background. So more go where they put erase color. More come out the white color sharp. More on them. You see some things that they come out now. So more increase the tolerance well. So all the white fly come out. I don't want to see any white. Good. Now all the white don't fly come out. Now what you want to do next be say more come this 3D rotate place. More rotate them. See so you don't rotate them now. So you see how it can be. Watch you. Follow me. Now you see how our ego can be. No forget I tell you say the picture of this ego I go put them for now. I'm not fit to go down. But observe how to use the ego when you learn away. Now, you see, so this ego big, so now reduce and small. Now, if you see and say this ego, fit this handwriting where we use that last time. So more tap this handwriting first. More go change them. We'll go handwriting side quick. More go handwriting side. More change this handwriting to wetin make sense. Wetin we follow the this thing. More change them. More find that if you just dey here dey play around, dey find that will make sense. So if you choose an handwriting where say this handwriting why I choose so it go make sense. So more go with this one first. So what you want to do now, just observe carefully. More rotate this our bed. So more come over. We don't use 3D rotate. Don't forget the first word. We use 3D rotate. We use and drag may face this side. Because before now this side they face. So we can use and drag and may face this side. And the next thing we want to do is say more use this normal rotation. More rotate down. May bend small. You see so you observe how it bend. May bend small. May not to bend or may come bend small. Now as it bend small. We'll call this normal position. More they push and small. You see so mostly bend and small. You see say the bend the way we bend before you know do. Mostly bend and again. Okay. You grab. Okay. Now mostly position now. More push and more position now. Push and go up. So we'll give her one more rotation. Okay, now more position now. So you see so that position now. So if you don't want to use this handwriting, you feel choose any handwriting where you know say it will make sense what you feel use. So I'm go on that side, more choose on that say that's not too far, more choose on that one. So I'm go my front now, man for the gather, my find handwriting. Okay, this devil breeze. This one makes sense. Must check if that one still there. No more we try devil breeze. They okay, they okay. But you know they spicy enough. More just go on with the old one we they use. Or more just use our old fonts what we used before. More use the bar pro, more check them. Okay, more reduce them. Okay, more position away. So you see more will go with this one. More go with this one. So without reach here now, we'll make sure to position everything where. Wanna make mistake now. More shift the bed. May they close, may they touch. Okay, now the next thing I want to do now be say for this stage, when you remember say you save this thing as project, save them as project. Why? Make you no forget. Let's talk about make you no be say you come edit and reach one place now. You can say, oh, I don't make mistake, I won't come back. You no go fit come back because once we don't merge some things, we know if you unmerge them. So no save them. So if we come back to this place anytime, can use them. Now when we just save this thing as project now, wetin can do next? Wetin dey next dey very simple. The next one I want to do now quick be say more merge all these two together. More tap this place where they up here. Should be see am show you where. See time on time let they go. I just quick do am. See that place we'll tap and more merge these two. I'm gonna hit this merge please. We don't merge and sharp. Say make this phone vibrate. Don't mind the phone. So we don't merge those two together now. So now we don't merge those two together. The next one I want to do now is say more write the name of the company. More write and small, sharp. More come here. More click test. More edit the test. More write the name of our company what we want to use. So more put on. We put anything. Okay. More click OK. More change the handwriting. We'll find that it won't make sense. Okay. We'll reduce the size. Okay. Now we'll position down way. We'll bring and come down small. So you see the space where they between the E and the delivery. You see how the space in tape B should be? Good. Now for this stage now, if you want to save them as project, still go ahead, save them. You'll click this save as project. Click save as project. If you save different state as project, now I can click E3. Click OK. I'm save and get that one, you get the same name. Okay, we just save am all. Now what we want to do next now, it is very simple. We get two options. And the first option we want to do now, we'll go with that option. Make we merge these two together. The two we don't merge now, which is this one. More we give them texture first. So we'll come over to this texture, so where they put texture here. More tap am, more click am, more go find texture, give am. So man go now, more go where they keep some of my photo. All this image where they use, all this picture. So me know what we say go use them. But me not just a watch time. So I feel keep to my promise. I don't use too much time. This is time that around 10 minutes now. I don't use now. Might just quickly do and so it go dey less than 10 minutes. Because I be the original video where I do less than 10 minutes. So man come now when me they keep my image. I'll just try spice this one up well. So more will choose color for that one. Might just say I want to choose this gold color first. Might choose them for the first one. So you see them. So we'll make sure say we'll click maintain ratio. So we don't click for the E. Now also for this delivery, won't give her another color. So we'll go to the test now. We'll give her that texture. We'll click texture now. We'll give her that texture. Now we'll give them two different texture, but we merge them. So I'll go to the texture place now. I'll go choose that texture now. Because every company will create this thing for their main color now gold and silver. So now you go find where you take spice some up so it go make sense. So I'll go where I say they keep some of my texture. Mark carry some texture now from inside here. More go with silver. More try this silver. Okay. You see, and so now more make sure so you see it no make sense. The texture will be like it be black and silver. So make sure we click this silver, or click enable main ratio. Make sure so you always you click that thing. So that you know what you say still day black summer or still day summer, you know, like fine with me, make sure say oh the thing go make sense. So if you just play around with that one, but if that one no work for us, if you go choose on that one. So you get option to play around with your texture. So now we don't add our texture, we'll make sure say okay our texture day okay. If you play around them, but this maintain ratio, make sure say they enabled. So don't do one, don't add our texture for there now. And the next two one want do now to make this our design make sense. We see make we merge everything together. So we'll tap this thing right there up here. We'll click that icon. We'll merge the two of them together. So we'll click this merge. We'll click OK. Now don't merge the two of them together. Before we even continue from this place where we did so, we'll make sure say first thing first. Okay, I come. More we merge them again first. More make sure say first thing first. More go change the image size. More go image size. More make sure say we put on for YouTube thumbnail so that we'll see what they do for you clear. Okay. So we get this one now. Now more we make sure say more increase the size for this our normal image small again. So we get this size now. Now more increase them, more position and way. This one I suppose pause when I do this one because I know I made the video long, but I just want more to see how me do want to format my own, made it okay. So we get this one over here. So even this delivery, more we increase the size, more positional. My verb and come down, my verb and come down, my move fast. So my increase the size. So more position this one way. So more just reduce the size small. Maybe like say they okay. The next one make sure say we do more make sure say if that texture no work, more give a color. So if you just go of the texture, more just give a color like that. If that texture no work, but if you still give a texture if you want put texture for your own. So more just position this one down here like this. Now what we want to do next, we say more merge everything now together. That be the next one I want to do. So more click merge, more merging together now. So now we don't merge them now, they don't be one. We can't decide say we want increase them or we don't want increase them. So since we don't merge them, we'll make sure say we put them for center. Okay, we'll make sure say everything this center. And next one we want to do now before we start, we'll go give them background, more add background from gallery. So we'll click this from gallery. I go choose background, go ahead and keep my pictures where we choose background for this thing. So we'll choose background. So if we choose background now, we're gonna spice them up way again. After I choose background, now I can do more spicing up. After I choose background. So I get many backgrounds for here, but you know most of my video for both of the places why they make them. Now this background, you all know now you always like to use, but if you use any background of your choice, so I just did native to me. That will cancel the background. I'll go choose the background again. So we don't get our background for here. So you see our design, you see our background. So we'll finish up this our design first. You know, so if we not emboss and give a 3D shape, you know, so we'll finish them up now. But if you not make a 3D, if you leave them like this and just go directly to emboss them up, but you know now, we'll just spice them up. So we'll make a 3D shape, we'll see how it go look. Not too thick. More reduce the thickness. More put the thickness for 4. See this summer. I know make my own 3D, my level like this. But my emboss if I make an 3D, the guy the peg will come look. Let's say they call discover our secret. So I just click emboss. On the emboss tool. The bevel too much. You see this too many for everybody. So now the bevel. More reduce the bevel, more put bevel for 4. I be 5. More make sure to increase specular hardness. Make come and like that. More still increase the maybe the ambilight or this English. I don't understand them. More just spice them up. See the lighting, the observation should be make come like the lighting dey inside the bed, that kind of thing, or just the wings we just put like that. So we just spice them up. I want spice them up. So you just put them e-delivery. Who get them bed eye view. You see, so this designer has the idea is to get hidden meaning, and for you both side they'll charge close to $200. That was even small money because some sell up to $1,000. But for Nigeria, still not the respect our work for Nigeria, for this designer like this, I just did so we they charge 145k and small money, but now 145k can design. Why? Because this design, maybe just design you go see. you just pass. Design get hidden meaning. So now delivery company, as you observe design, might explain and we might present that for you in case you want to come present this kind of thing. See, I say name of the company might say like e-delivery. If it be any delivery, if it be M delivery, anything. But this bedroll come for here now, he go the one of the fastest bedroll this guy should be good, we know. And he go they see things clearly. They see from very far. And that thing I relates well to delivery company, all these logistics where they ride bike waka, they need to be very fast. You see, so now be that wing so need to be very fast. So because of these wings and this thing what we add, so we can't spice up the design and the make kind design the expensive. I think say for your both side they call and say mascot design. So I can design the expensive. I had to talk the time does still go. And I say I don't want to miss time. So I just click test here. So this test also want to do now, more just click add our name of person where do you know where they if you know add your name, dot if your design say now that person that designer do so no lose card. Make sure say you add the name of person where do so more click the select design, more just change the handwriting. Man change the handwriting and to more put handwriting will still make sense. More reduce the size, may not go too big. If it's too big, it go drag the attention. People go they look your name instead of me they look what they're supposed to look. So more put them, more push and go down. More just leave for by select designs. More just okay. I know why the phone dey vibrate. But sorry, so you see, so it is very simple, but it dey neat. Small make am big for you. So you see, so it is very simple, but it dey neat. So one last thing I want to do now, more go the editing type for the color. So see, so more go this side now. Now for this side, if we play around with the brightness. See, so if we reduce the brightness more, you can make our design come out more. May make everything come out more. So if you just use this one, take play. So put the brightness for -44. See where I did the edit. I edit the background now. See now the background to change the background I be this place. But this place to edit the background, come and drag and show you. Time don't reach 20 minutes. Might end the video for you. But you get them, you understand that no charge less, no charge more money for this logo. Charge where if you create this kind of logo, this kind of logo where you say that they get meaning. Charge where it's not be just ordinary logo, you just carry the right. And get meaning. The charge where they be for your logo where to design to get the idea is not a day easy. So they charge where. So more click save as image. Now I want to do for a sharp. So we'll make sure say our quality day ultra obviously. Why BCA make it day okay when they print and come outside. I will click the save to gallery. So now be this for this video. Make sure say you watch the video on how to add fonts for inside pixel if you don't remember. If you never watch them, you add them how to download fonts for Google and add them. Watch the video. But anything where you don't understand, that was explain for that video. Hope you enjoy the video. Hope say it makes sense. I'll go sooner for the next video.